Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold a t-shirt for travel so that it does not wrinkle. In this video, I'll be going over a simple step-by-step tutorial for properly folding a t-shirt and getting it ready to pack in a carry-on luggage or in a suitcase so that it actually does not wrinkle. Without further ado, let's get right into it. This is actually a golf shirt, but you can use the same tutorial for a t-shirt or even for a long-sleeved shirt. All right, so as you can see right here, we have a golf shirt right here, and it is right now placed so that the front of the shirt is facing up. What you need to do is you need to place it so that the back of the shirt is facing up. So what we have here is the back of the shirt. This is the back of the shirt. You want to start off by getting your sleeves, whether they're short sleeves or long sleeves, and just folding them in towards the middle. So you have a nice, relatively straight line down the side right there. If they're long sleeves, you can fold them in towards the middle and then fold them down. You sort of want them contained right over here. The next thing that you want to do is get the other sleeve, fold it in towards the middle, just like that, so that you have a nice relatively straight line, just like that and like that. So what we want to do next is we want to actually fold the shirt into thirds. So right now you can see we sort of have thirds, and as a rule of thumb, you basically want to go to about the collar if you have a golf shirt like this, or even a shirt with any type of collar. We want to take this, fold it in like that, take this side, fold it in like that, so that you're at about the thirds zone. You can see right now we folded the shirt into a nice thin part like this. Now what you want to do is you want to take this bottom right here, this is the bottom of the shirt, and you want to bring it up towards the top, just like that, okay? So this is one method, and now you have a nice compact design. You can turn it over like this. You can see the collar is nice and well kept, just like that. And this is perfect for packing, and it will basically cause the shirt to have as few wrinkles as possible while taking up as little space as possible. Okay, very simple method. Now, on a side note, instead of folding it in half, if you want to get an even more compact design, instead of just folding it in half like that as the last step, you can take this, you can fold it in thirds once again. So I can take this, fold it like that, and then one more time like that. And check this out, you have an even more compact design. And you can actually button up the collar to make it even more compact. So right now you see I did one of those buttons. I could actually do both of the buttons to make it even more compact like that, just to get a really nice and compact design. Like if I wanted the most compact design, I could easily do that, and I have just a perfect fit for a suitcase. A shirt that will wrinkle as little as possible and is nice and compact. Like a whole shirt is literally this thin and just really perfect for carry-on luggage, for a bag, or for a suitcase while you're traveling. And that's basically it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial of how to fold a shirt for travel and allow it to have basically no wrinkles for the most part. Even if you leave it like this for a while, you should have basically no wrinkles, as few wrinkles as possible. And if you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.